Today we have a lot of sea animal toys. Let's learn their names one by one. The first one is a sea turtle. This is a sea turtle. Octopus. This is octopus. The next sea animal is a king crab. This is a king crab. A clownfish. This is a clownfish. A lobster. This is a lobster. The next sea animal is a pufferfish. This is a pufferfish. A starfish. This is a starfish. The next sea animal is a shark. This is a shark. A squid. This is a squid. The next one is a tumblefish. This is a tumblefish. A queen parrotfish. This is a queen parrotfish. A blue whale. This is a blue whale. A penguin. This is a penguin. A yellow whale. The next sea animal is a dolphin. This is a dolphin. The next sea animal is a pufferfish. A pufferfish, a little redfish, a little redfish, a walrus,